Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here and I just want to say welcome, please don't forget to click subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you hit the notification bell next to it so you don't miss any of my videos. Today I'm going to make miniature Hershey labels for one of my kids' birthday. It's a month and a half from now, so I decided I'm just going to do a tutorial for that. So stick around if you guys are interested in this tutorial. So here's what you will need: miniature Hershey chocolate, measuring tape, an adhesive label that I bought from Amazon, and I will link the info below in the description box. So first we're going to measure the chocolate. So the measurement for this will be 2.75, and then the width would be 1.4. Okay, so I'm going to Google superheroes logos. Then go to images. I'm going to pick this one. Save it as, or save it to your download folder. Then let's click over to Design Space tab. We are going to upload the image, so click Upload, Upload, then Browse. Choose Complex and Continue. I'm going to use my wand to click on the white background to make it transparent, and then I'm going to use the eraser to erase the text. You can click Preview if you like, and I'm just going to click Continue. We are going to save this as a print and cut, which is the left box. Name the file. You can add tags if you like. Click Save. Click on the image and insert. As you can see, I've already done the Power Rangers. I'm just adding superheroes. So I'm going to resize the image so I can see better. On the left side, I'm going to grab a shape, and I'm choosing the circle because I'm going to be placing this on top of the logo that I would like to slice. Select both and slice. So for this, Captain America has a black ring on it, but I have one that I'd like to use. So I'm just going to grab it real quick. Now that all my superheroes that I'd like to keep are all sliced, I'm going to grab another shape, and it will be the square. I'm going to resize the square, so unlock. And I'm going to put 1.4 by 275. And then we're going to duplicate. I'm just going to line up the rectangles. No need to do this, I just prefer to align it. So on each of the logo image, I am changing the size of the circle to 0.75 and place it on the rectangle. Then click Arrange and bring it to the front. And I'm just going to repeat the process. Change the circle to 0.75, place the logo on the rectangle, click Arrange, and bring it to the front. Now let's change the colors of each of the rectangles. The next step is select the rectangles along with the logo and click Align and Center. Then on the bottom right, click Flatten. I'm just going to repeat the process by selecting the rectangle along with the logo, click Align, Center, then Flatten. Now that I'm all done, I'm just going to click Make It and Continue. Send to printer. Choose your printer. Turn off the bleed button. Go to Advanced Options. Click Layout and choose Print Settings. Choose Color and Best for Print Quality. Then I'm going to click Print. I'm just going to place the shipping label on the tray. Now that it's done printing, I'm going to place the label onto the green mat. Load the mat and click Go. It is now scanning the registration marks. Once it's done, it will just start cutting. Unload the mat. And gently remove the label from the mat. Remove one label and place it on the center of the chocolate, just enough to cover the Hershey label. And I fold from the bottom, then top. And there you go. That is how you make a label for miniature Hershey chocolate. Alright you guys, let me know what you think of this video. If you find this helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you guys later.